Hi. So let's look at more sentences that we can create from these two letter words. Very, very short and easy for a beginner to read. We have an eel, an eel, an in, an in, an ox, an ox, an odd, an odd. With these sentences, your little champ will surely feel more confident once they can start reading these short sentences. You are simply building their confidence, empowering them to know that words and sentences come from blending little sounds, and it makes reading very, very interesting. So, till we meet in another lesson, bye bye.